Am I going to be part of this?
You're gonna help pick it up.
And then we'll take it outside.
Oh my god!
Meant for black people.
This one's not stretching.
I don't think
Oh my god, it broke.
already?
Nope. Oh my god, what?
It takes a lot.
Lift it up a little bit, Kenny.
I can't.
Let me try.
You have to push it up a wall. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, look at it! It's huge!
That's what she said.
I can't lift it, guys.
Stop trying.
Okay, can we lift it now?
No, it's not full.
Wow, some big things can fit in here.
Wow, Haley.
I'm dead serious.
Don't poke it.
Hey. Holy
You wanna
crap.
pick it up?
Like a big thing is gonna.
Oh!
Oh my god!